Yeah, this week BTC Technical Analysis. So what we analyzed last week, actually, see, we expected is it will give some correction, but it came a little bit impulsively. It's not went up. Okay, I can clear all these things. Okay, I can clear all these things. If it give any correction, small correction, it will up, then it will come down. It will take all this liquidity here, all this liquidity, and it will move up. Once you went there, look for sell setup again. So my buy is still 55k. If you break the 55k to 45k down, okay, look for the, so after the small correction, look for the sell setup. Once taking all this liquidity here, look for the buy setup from here. So if I go there, then after this one, then look for sell setup. Okay, BTC. Thank you.